In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Dropbox account in 2025 step by step. Whether you're new to Dropbox or looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish, ensuring you have your account set up in no time. Let's begin by heading to your web browser. You want to navigate to Dropbox.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign up button in the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that to begin your registration process. Now you'll see a few options for creating your Dropbox account. You can either use your email address or opt for a quicker route by signing up with your Google or Apple account. If you choose the traditional email sign-up, you'll need to enter your name, email address, and come up with a secure password. Don't forget to carefully read and agree to Dropbox's terms and conditions along with their privacy policy before continuing. If you're signing up through Google or Apple, it's even simpler. Just click on the relevant button and follow along with the prompts to link your accounts. The next thing you'll encounter is the selection of a Dropbox plan that suits your needs. As of 2025, Dropbox offers a variety of options. If you're looking for something basic, the basic plan is free and provides 2 gigabytes of storage, perfect for light users and those just getting started. For individuals or families needing more storage, there are the Plus and Family options. Professionals requiring advanced sharing capabilities and up to 3 terabytes of storage might choose the Professional plan. If you represent a business looking for team collaboration tools and extensive storage options, the business plan could be more appropriate for you. But for now, if you're unsure, stick with the basic free plan to start. You can always upgrade later once you have a better understanding of your storage needs. Once you've selected your plan, it's crucial to verify your new Dropbox account via email. Head over to the inbox of the email address you registered with. Keep an eye out for an email from Dropbox featuring a verification link. By clicking on this verify your email link, you complete the activation of your account, granting you full access to Dropbox's features. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a Dropbox account. From here you can start uploading files, sharing documents, and organizing your digital life with ease. Thanks for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.